Схватишь меня за руку, и тут мы понесемся посреди дороги. Я научу тебя тому, чего люди в шоке. Давай в перемешку.
Hey everyone, it's me Afsha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you excited? Because I'm so excited. Like, I cannot believe that I'm continuing this because it was
Not amazing.
I was like, I'm missing something. I'm missing you guys. And it's not even like missing. It's something really deep. It's not even about this, guys. It's all about how much I missed the connection we had, you know, replying to comments. I was like so into it. I used to see fan edits and I was like, oh, wow. I just miss all of that so much. And I am finally back. And I'm so excited to begin this video. आज मैं जा रही हूँ actually book fair with my friend, one of my favorite friend, Sejal. I actually have some gifts for her as well. This for her. Then I have this and this bracelet I made myself for her. These are the gifts I bought for her. And yesterday I got this blazer. Actually I was dying to get this one, but it was super expensive, so broke. Anyway, so I finally got this. I'm gonna keep everything inside now because my plan was actually to wear this. It looks like I just woke up, so I'll drop that plan. I put on a blazer. I need to cut this tag because I'm trying to remove it. You know, I got scared. Like, my heart came to my throat when I saw this. I thought it's a credit card or something. It was in this and I was like, wait, is that a credit card? Because if it is, I'm going to jail. So that's why I was so scared because my mom's credit card's color, I know the color, so it's definitely not my mom's. I was like, wait, whose credit card is this? And I was just so scared. Anyway, now I'm already late. I'm very late. I told her that I would be there by 12 and it's literally about to be 12. Very soon. It's 12:27. Anyway, I'm gonna cut the tag. I'm gonna put on perfume. I have the most basic fit today. I applied sunscreen. I did my skincare. It's all... Can you see the glow on my forehead now? My forehead acne is gone. There's no acne on my face. This is the sunscreen I use. Mama Earth sponsored me. I use Mama Earth sunscreen. I use Mama Earth face wash. I use Mama Earth conditioner. I use Mama Earth hair wash. What is it? Shampoo. I use everything of them. I used their बट 6 मिनट से मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोल चुकी हूँ एंड अब मैं बताती हूँ कि एक्चुअली होने क्या वाला है. मैं जा रही हूँ बुक फेयर अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ और मैं जाने से पहले एक गेट रेडी विद मी प्लस स्टोरी टाइम कर रही हूँ. देयर इज़ दिस वन टीचर एंड आई गेस एवरीबडी हैज़ एनकाउंटर्ड दैट वन टीचर जो एवरीबडी हेट्स हर. ठीक है, एंड आई ऑल्सो हैड दैट वन टीचर एंड आई hated her with all my might. And these are the perfumes I use. First of all, it's very demure, very old money. And जिस हिसाब से मैंने इस ब्लेजर पे खर्च किए हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है ओल्ड होते मेरे पास कोई मनी नहीं बचेगा. Why am I talking so much? What do I have to even do? Yeah, I have to cut this tag. I feel so guilty right now. Like, why am I like this? I thought that I would, you know, light some candles in my vlog after like welcome back. Do not ask me why I taped the candle because ये मुझे कल मेरे भाई ने दिया था randomly. I went to his house. I said I like that candle. He said take it.
Oh my god, bro.
And also I wanted to light this candle. This is vanilla flavor actually. No, it helps you relax, feel calm, energize and put your mind in a productive mood. This is aroma candle and I love aroma candles, by the way, 100% natural. And I was gonna light this and this both, but now I can barely light a candle. I cannot light anything. This is very hectic. I was gonna make it cozy, but it cannot be cozy. Why is everything falling? So did you guys know I bought like Christmas slippers? Did I need that slipper? Absolutely not. But did I buy it just because it looked cute? Absolutely. These are the Christmas slippers. I cleaned my room as soon as I woke up and now it's a complete mess all over again. Fuck, did I? Why do I curse so much these days? I need my jewelry. Where the heck are you? Okay, I got my bow. I need to put it in my hair. I haven't even brushed my hair. What is this gonna be aesthetic? Calm. Watch. I am unable to find my pendant. Let's start with my makeup. Oh, should I use this to put my hair back? Bad idea. Starting off with this, I'm going to talk about a teacher of my school. which I was in that school. I'm not in that school anymore, thank goodness. Grasshopper. Her name was Grasshopper. Let's keep her name Grasshopper for this video. Let's call her Grasshopper for this video. Her name was Grasshopper. And I think हर किसी स्कूल में एक टीचर ऐसा होता है जिसको सब हेट करते हैं. Not a single person, not even teachers like her. Now you can imagine how she was. मुझे moisturizer चाहिए. मेरे face I don't think is ready right now. I think. So basically वो वैसी टीचर थी that like everybody hated her. कोई सारे टीचर्स दे बैक बाइटेड अबाउट हर एंड लाइक एवरीवन बट सब सामने आई वाज लाइक ओह माय गॉड मैम क्या मैम वैसा ना. नो टीचर्स इन आवर स्कूल बट स्पेसिफिकली गुड. जो अच्छी थी वो 1-2 साल में चली जाती थी. तो हमारे स्कूल में कोई अच्छी टीचर थी नहीं एंड शी वॉज दिस वन टीचर एवरीबॉडी हेटेड. एंड पता है जब से मैं नर्सरी से जब तक मैं स्कूल में थी आई वॉज इन द स्कूल टिल आई रीच 9th क्लास. शी डिड नॉट लीव द स्कूल. वो 10-15 साल से स्कूल ही नहीं छोड़ रही है. पता नहीं मतलब मैम आपको कितनी सैलरी मिल रही है, लाखों में मिल रही है क्या? मतलब व्हाई आरंट यू लीविंग, गो एंड टू सिविल लाइंस और यू विल गेट हाई सैलरी. आई डोंट थिंक हमारा स्कूल 50,000 से ऊपर किसी भी टीचर को देता होगा, नो मैटर हाउ एडवांस्ड और कितनी भी अच्छी टीचर हो. वो माई स्कूल वॉज लो की आई थिंक सो. तो इस वजह से आई डोंट थिंक वो देता होगा किसी को इतना. School wasn't that good, or it's not like it was giving you some special treatment. Everybody literally hated you, nobody liked you, and you did not receive any kind of special treatment or anything. I'm telling you what she was like, and you will know why everybody hated it. Well, let me tell you what she used to do. Imagine, मेरी एक बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड थी. Let's call her अनुकृति. Let's call her अनुकृति for this video. And वो पता है प्रीफेक्ट थी क्लास की, मॉनिटर यू नो. हमारे स्कूल में उसको प्रीफेक्ट बुलाया जाता था. एंड ये 8th क्लास की बात है आई गेस. वो प्रीफेक्ट थी एंड वो क्लास फाइंड करी थी. वो ग्रासहोपर का ही पीरियड था और वो ग्रासहोपर इतनी लेट थी, मतलब 10 मिनट हो गया, 20 मिनट हो गया एंड वो नहीं आई. तो मॉनिटर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है क्लास को शांत करे. हमारे क्लास में जंगली बच्चे रहते हैं, तो हमारे क्लास में जब जंगली बच्चे रहते थे तो वो पता है बहुत बैडी टाइप की थी. आई लव हर, शी वॉज अ बैडी एंड सब उससे डरते थे लोग की, स्पेशली बॉयज. मतलब वो एक बार चिल्ला देती थी ना तो फिर क्लास में किसी से आवाज निकलती थी. ग्रासहॉपर को बैडीज से सबसे ज्यादा नफरत होती थी. मतलब गर्ल्स हु वर लाइक लिटरल बैडीज यू नो, उनसे सबसे ज्यादा उनको गुस्सा आता था. मतलब व्हाई इज शी कॉन्फिडेंट, why is this woman confident? Like she hated confident girls, I can literally tell you, because I was also confident and she hated me. So her period 10 मिनट गुजरे, 20 मिनट गुजरे, वो नहीं आई तो मॉनिटर की ऑफकोर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है क्लास को संभाले. और अगर क्लास को संभालना है तो मॉनिटर ऑफकोर्स चिल्लाते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत बोलते हैं कि मैं तुम्हारा नाम लिख दूंगी वगैरह वगैरह, तो ताकि क्लास शांत हो जाए थोड़ी और नीचे से कंप्लेन वगैरह ना आए. क्योंकि आवर प्रिंसिपल वाज ट्राइंग टू जस्ट काम डाउन द क्लास. तो उसने बोला कि अगर किसी अब वो शी शाउटेड आउट ऑफ नोवेयर, मतलब अचानक से उसने चिल्लाई क्योंकि वो भी फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गई थी, कोई इसकी बात नहीं सुना था. तो शी सेड इफ आई हियर एनीबडी टॉकिंग नाउ आई विल लिटरली गिव देयर नेम टू द प्रिंसिपल and I'll take them to the principal office. And उसने बहुत जोर से चिल्ला के बोला. उसी वक्त ग्रासहॉपर लाइक ओके आई अंडरस्टैंड कि मॉनिटर्स को चिल्लाना नहीं चाहिए बच्चों पे, लाइक एवरी स्टूडेंट इज इक्वल, बट इफ आवर क्लास में मुझे तो लग रहा है मॉनिटर को मारना भी अलाउ होना चाहिए. ऐसे जंगली बच्चे रहते थे. वो ग्रासहॉपर उसको चिल्लाई कि दिस इज हाउ यू डू, द मॉनिटर्स आर थ्रेटनिंग अदर चिल्ड्रन एंड दिस एंड दैट. उन्होंने इतना चिल्लाया था. शी लिटरली went to another level just because she was minding the class and it was her job to do so. And वो फिर चिल्ला विल्ला के गई. अनुकृति was like now I would never ever mind the class, चाहे वो कुछ भी कर ले I would never mind the class. कुछ दिनों बाद पता है फिर से ग्रासहॉपर बहुत लेट थी क्लास में. तो हमारी मॉनिटर थी अनुकृति, she did not mind the class this time because she was just writing their names silently, the people who were talking and shouting, and she did not shout. She just said once please keep silent, and when nobody did then she did not say anything. She just sat down and started writing people's name. And then grasshopper came after like half an hour and फिर वो आती है and then वो फिर से अनुकृति को चिल्लाने लगती है. She's like you don't know how to be a monitor. Monitors are supposed to take care of the class. They're supposed to see when students are talking, they're supposed to make them silent. And then Anukriti said that ma'am I was trying my best to make them silent but they weren't keeping quiet. Then she said that तो teachers को बुलाना चाहिए था. What are you doing here? What is your job? You don't know how to mind. Who made you the prefect? And इतना बोली वो इतना बोली. I was like I could literally see that Anukriti was on a verge to cry. ठीक है, she was literally about to cry. And I could feel it, I could sense it. I can sense when another girl is gonna cry because I am also a girl and I know when things get really bad. So I know when she was about to cry. So then after a while when she was about to cry, the grasshopper she said that oh I did not mean to say that, don't take my words that way, take it in a positive way. And then वो पता है बहुत बड़ी manipulator and she literally manipulated my mom into thinking that I was the problem when she was the problem. Anyway ये तो दूसरी बात की स्टोरी है, आप ही सुनो आगे. And उसके बाद she scolded her for minding the class, she scolded her for not minding class again. Once again वो नहीं आई पता नहीं उसको पढ़ाना भी रहता था कि नहीं, वो आती नहीं थी कभी क्लास में, एंड जब भी आती थी देर में आती थी, ये चिल्ला विल्ला के लेक्चर दे के दो चली जाती थी। एंड फिर एक दिन आई अनुकृति, माइंड कर रही थी क्लास, एज शी टोल्ड हर टू। अनुकृति वॉज माइंडिंग द क्लास एंड शी डिड नॉट कम, पूरा मतलब पीरियड ओवर होने वाला था एंड वो आई नहीं। सो अनुकृति's job was to go and tell the people at the student office there is no teacher in our class, please send someone to maintain the discipline। ये हमारा स्कूल का रूल होता था फॉर मॉनिटर्स। तो दैट्स वाई अनुकृति थॉट दैट आई शुड गो एंड कॉल द टीचर, वरना फिर द ग्रासहॉपर विल कम एंड से कि तुम्हारी जॉब थी टीचर्स को बुलाना, तुमने टीचर्स को बुलाया क्यों नहीं। सो दैट्स वाई अनुकृति went to call the teacher, and the staff member later on told the grasshopper that there was a student from class 8A and you weren't in the class while it's your period and you should go। बस इतना ही बोला होगा, उससे ज़्यादा I don't think कि कोई भी कुछ भी बोलेगा। Then what happened was grasshopper came into the class, बस period was literally over, why are you even here, like just leave the class। And उसने बोला who went to file a complaint, तो we were like complaint, and then she's like who was it, stand up, this and that। She started screaming and she's like वो अगर टीचर 5 मिनट लेट हो जाता है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम लोग नीचे जाके बोल रहे हो कि टीचर लेट हो गया है, तुम लोग भी लेट होते हो वगैरह वगैरह, लाइक वुमेन। एंड टीचर्स कभी कभी भूल जाते हैं तो इस वजह से ये रिमाइंड करने के लिए होता है। एंड वो चिल्ला रही है अनुकृति को कि यू डोंट हैव मैनर्स, दिस एंड दैट, टीचर्स इफ आर 5 minutes late, you don't know how much teachers have to work, we are down, we are somewhere and you are going and complaining। Woman, calm down, why are you so offended? And फिर उसके बाद अनुकृति was like okay, now I'm not gonna call her। Few days later guess what happened, फिर से वो नहीं आई, and फिर अनुकृति जब नहीं गई बुलाने, she came into the class and she started why didn't you go, this is your job, this and that। That woman had serious problem with अनुकृति at this point। I was like सिर्फ इसी को सही प्रॉब्लम है, and फिर मुझे बाद में पता चला उसको पूरे स्कूल से प्रॉब्लम है और पूरे स्कूल को उससे भी प्रॉब्लम है।
Oh my god, bro। Oh hell no, man, what the fuck, man।
And she used to say oh I love you guys, मैं इसलिए बोलती हूँ मेरी थोड़ी सी don't mind my tone but I really love you guys, I want your you are just traumatizing them। बिल्कुल ट्रॉमेटाइज करती जा रही है वो रोज रोज, और फिर बोली आई वॉन्ट योर बेस्ट। एटलीस्ट शी इज नॉट डूइंग दिस टू मी, यू नो, लाइक आई वाज जस्ट थैंकफुल दैट दिस इज नॉट हैपनिंग टू मी। आई नेवर वांटेड टू बी ऑन हर radar। I was always on her good kid list, like oh she's such a nice girl, she never speaks in the class, she never causes trouble, and I was only in her nice girl list, so I was just happy to be there। like मैं कुछ ऐसा करती भी नहीं थी, you know, I wasn't teacher's pet, I did whatever I wanted, I was still in teacher's nice girl list। तो मुझे I was like ठीक है, a win is a win, I don't care, at least मैं सांस लेने के लिए मुझे डांट तो नहीं पड़ रही है। If you breathe loudly in her classroom, she's gonna say why are you breathing so loudly, don't you have manners, don't you know how to breathe, you're breathing like an animal। And I'm like woman, that guy must have asked about, I don't know why she was so aggressive every single day, every single time। She treated kids according to her mood. If her mood was good, oh I love you guys are great। If her mood, you are the worst students on earth, this and that, you don't know, C is better, they answer, and when we don't answer she's like why don't you answer, when we answer why are you shouting, you need help, go to therapy। Why is she so aggressive? I still they don't know why she's so aggressive। and तुम्हें पता चला why I hate her so much? And ये बात तब की जब when I finally got into her radar। I was never on her radar, लेकिन एक पता नहीं कौन मनहूस था, like I am an anchorer at school, I was always like into public speaking। अभी भी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा public speaking में हूँ, तो मैं एंकरिंग करती थी स्कूल में। एंड एक लड़का था, what do I call him now, Sigma Date। he was trying so hard to be Sigma, he was like वाला भी Sigma type, तो इसको Sigma Date बुलाते हैं, तो he was Sigma Date। एंड आई वॉज पेयर्ड विद हिम फॉर एंकरिंग, एंड 15 अगस्त की एंकरिंग थी वो। एंड वो एंकरिंग थी एंड आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड। मैं बहुत टाइम बाद, सालों बाद मैं स्टेज पे जा रही थी, एंड आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड टू बी देयर कि फाइनली मैं इतने टाइम बाद एंकरिंग कर रही हूँ। इट लाइक एंकरिंग इज इन माई ब्लड, आई लव पब्लिक स्पीकिंग। तो मुझे बस आई वाज सुपर एक्साइटेड टू बी देयर, टू एग्जिस्ट। एंड हम लोग आफ्टर द एंकरिंग कुछ दिनों बाद देयर वाज दिस वन, आई डोंट नो हु वाज देयर, बट किसी ने मेरी वीडियो एडिट की और स्कूल की साइट, मतलब स्कूल का इंस्टाग्राम बनाया करके, एंड फिर उसमें मेरी एडिट पोस्ट कर दी। लाइक इट वाज इन एन इनएप्रोप्रिएट वे, मतलब यू नो ट्राइंग टू कंपेयर मी विद अ मॉडल, एंड मतलब ही वाज ट्राइंग सो हार्ड टू मेक मी लुक sexy at some point, and I am 14, do not do that। And it was so inappropriate, he zoomed in, also like the whole school watched it। I was the topic of the school for the next 2 weeks। it was during teachers day, एंड मेरी एकदम हालत ख़राब थी, मैं स्कूल जा ही नहीं रही थी, बहुत टाइम तक मैं स्कूल नहीं गई। एंड ऑफकोर्स ये मेरी मिस्टेक नहीं थी, लाइक I was a public influencer and I post videos, but nobody has the right to edit things. And पता है उसने वीडियो मेरी वहाँ से निकाली भी नहीं थी, उसने सबसे पहले वीडियो निकाली थी स्कूल के यूट्यूब से. And when he got that video, then he edited it with the photos and videos I had on my Instagram. And then he edited a video and posted it on a song, Trag. Now you can imagine how inappropriate it would have looked for a 13-year-old. I was 13 at that time. Just tell me, what is the role of the teachers? The role of the teachers is to protect the student and to take the post down. मैंने उसको कहाँ से पता चल गया, and that woman, grasshopper, and she started yelling at me. You don't know how to do this. I know your intentions. You are trying to get attention from men. I would get attention in seconds if I wanted to. So calm down. I was so mad I was about to say this. मतलब अभी भी मैं सोच रही हूँ मुझे इतना गुस्सा आता है. I shouldn't say this. I'm really not trying to be pick me, but this shit is not something I deal with. I was about to say this. I was literally glaring at her. Now, like, I have had enough with you. I was about to say this, but I did not say this. She was my teacher. She teaches me. I really respect her. Also, I was dealing with so much, and now she has the audacity to blame everything on me, that it's my mistake and I'm doing this. And also she started saying things about my character. She started saying that you don't know how to speak to teachers. I know where your mind is going. Only focus on studies and all this and that. You got 30 out of 30. I get 30 to 30 SST, maths, science. I was like rocking. And you are telling me this? I only couldn't gain much in half yearly because of my mental health. I was literally depressed. कि मतलब imagine my state at that time. I was so depressed. And when I complained it to my mother, that this is what the teacher said to me, and she's like, she then called my mother. She acted like the victim as always, and she said that your daughter, she's gonna ruin your name, this and that. My mother was telling me how bad she was talking about me. So she was literally trying to get my mother against me so that she can like hold the narrative, and she was trying so hard to make me look like I was the villain and I was the one doing everything, this and that. I was so mad at her at this point. She was such a manipulator. She yelled at students. She was just so bad. Like, she yelled at students for existing. Like, no, I feel like she hates humans. Why are you so mad because I'm existing? Why are you so mad at me as if I ran with your heart? Oh, Sejal's message. This is my first ever time telling like a story time, and this is how she like turned the narrative against me on the thing that wasn't even my mistake. No, I don't know. My mistake was existing on social media. What was my mistake? I also got this new lip balm. Should I open it? So let me show you some more snippets of my life whilst the story time is over, by the way. So if you want to watch the snippets, you can continue watching, and if you don't want to watch, then thank you so much for watching my story time. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you so much. And if you want to get to know me better, like more closely, then you can follow me on Instagram. It's definitely your choice, and you can subscribe if you'd like to watch me more, and you can comment down and say that thank you so much for making this video, or you can just drop some words, just drop some kind words in the comment section, and like maybe something like thank you so much for making this video, or we enjoyed the story time, or some ideas for my next video. I also have lip oil, so I'm gonna apply a lip oil at the top. You guys don't know how your words mean so much. Thank you so much.